we are the Tree Club, and what you're looking behind me is a urban jungle, or also called as a Miyawaki forest, or a Miyawaki inspired afforestation project. So how old would you think this forest would be? Well, don't be surprised. This is just about 9 months forest, and we have turned this barren land into a mini biodiverse forest. So Miyawaki forest grows 10 times faster than a conventional planting of a tree, and it is 30 times more denser and 20 times more biodiverse. So as you can see, this forest has all the kinds of trees in it, be it a timber variety or fruits, medicinal, and also, let's say, avenue trees, but it's all native. Mostly 99% of it is native. What happens when you plant a forest which is 100% native? Well, you attract more species which grow and reside in the forest, like for example worms, insects, wasps, butterflies, and beetles, and it's also visited by some of the birds and small earth animals like squirrels and lizards, garden lizards, etc. So it is a really good home for them because it provides the right shelter for them. If we manage to plant more such forests in the vicinity of the town, for example, government premises, institutions, schools, colleges, hospitals, reserved sites, you can create a new landscape for the town. Well, this kind of forest, if we create more such forests in urban and rural areas, what will happen is we will be successful in creating more beautiful, biodiverse, green surroundings near our homes, the places we go, and the places we travel by. Well, what it does, it will help tackle today's environmental problems. Like, for example, what are the problems that we have? We have high pollution, which it can take care of because it sinks all the carbon in the air, and it recharges the groundwater table to optimum levels, and it increases the biodiversity of the region, and it oxygenates the atmosphere, and it also creates more beautiful parks which we can integrate it with human community. So if you take a look at our forest, what we do is basically plant trees in layers, like how it looks in a forest. Well, you can see, as you can see, here are the shrubs, which is grasses and small plants, and then you have a layer of trees, and then you have a layer with a tree which goes all the way up, which is a canopy layer, and also we add a lot of fruits, medicinal trees, and timber trees. The Tree Club have planted 8 such forests in many places of our town, and we planted close to about 10,000 trees, and more such are in the pipeline. Now you may think, what is it in for you to be planting a Miyawaki forest in the land that you own? Well, we can guarantee you, if you have a big land, provide a small part of it for a Miyawaki forest, which will just imagine you're walking into a forest such as this which you own, and you have decrease in your stress levels, your serotonin and dopamines are released when you are surrounded by greenery, and you can enjoy a cup of coffee near the forest. You can meditate within the forest, and you can set up yoga place which is within the place of the forest. You can take a walk within the forest. You can use some of the medicines which the leaves and the roots provide, which is available in the forest. Then what? You can enjoy some of the fruits that the forest gives you. So you are essentially part of the forest. You are not separate. You are a part of nature. So when you are good with nature, the nature provides you back. You just have to wait for a couple of years. So Miyawaki is not just about planting trees in dens. You can create the pathway, the trails, such as this. You can create, you can scape your forests, like add rocks, stones for the attraction and to make it look more natural. You can even include some aquascaping within your premise. So I think there are tons that you can do inside a Miyawaki forest, and we would like more people to come forward to make the place green, make the place more biodiverse, and live happily within the space of a forest. Thank you.